guys, so as you guys saw, I did make, sorry, I did make a little fidget board, but I did not finish it. So we have it on, oh, I just realized, plus always has to go in the middle. We have to climb, and now I'm so confused, because, I don't know. So, now, it's not just me and you. Bounce. Got it. I just forgot. I forgot to show you squishy. Also, it's not dumpling. Okay. I think I might make a lot of these. Now we need to make the, and then I'm gonna make some stuff for my friends, like my best friend, because they really love Neatos. So I'm gonna buy them. I have no shorts on, and I'm about to show you my Neatos. Now we have to do the plus line. It looks green, but when I had my mom's phone, yeah. And I don't know how to crochet, so I'm also watching Michelle and them. So I'm learning how to crochet for them, from them. Sorry. So I'm gonna watch. I watched one last night, and it was awesome. But I really want Michelle's, like, her little crochet thing. Okay. Now we need to add the plus one. I think we might just do it like this instead of like how it's supposed to go like that, because there's a lot of that's how my other one has 12 space at the bottom. Okay, I thought I done it. I'm pretty sure I did it by myself. Okay. And I left. Great. And then I had to cover this, but no one did it red. The climb, cause I can move faster and go to bed. And I'm bored. So I guess you guys can watch TV. I'm just let me see what I have on home. Let me put that slowly. Yeah. We'll do 2. Cause I think cause I have to do like a lot of stuff.
So all 4 of us will be raffling into those games and trying to make the best summer baskets we can to get each other in the summer mood. Hey, shut up! Shut up before I was checking if you put my name in there.
Yeah. Have fun watching that while I do mine.
Why was Angie in there too? Oh. Everyone knows you're big. Well, you better. Well, girl, what were you trying to secure with the rubber band? Maybe I was not going to keep no one out. It's getting to your head. It's starting to grow real big. The toupee not fitting it anymore. We will do a $50 budget on the baskets. Try to make the best summer basket, all right? Get them in the summer spirit. First store, it's obviously Dollar Tree. But very sweet. Let me get my ticket to a second. Oh, why did I record that too? All right, I'm going to get a little basket. You seen that recording video? Straight off of walking in, they already have a bunch of little Hawaiian decorations. I could dress the girls up in one of these, but their chi-chis ain't gonna fill the cups. Oh, Cassie's getting ready to give. Oh, bottoms up, up. That bottom gonna be up when 6 comes into town. Oh, you could add one of those to your basket. Oh, strawberry balloons, strawberry. That's hella cute for your person, but if your person is me, don't grab that, baby. I think it's on you. For your vodka, huh? Just thinking out of the bowl. Oh, no. She's already got vodka in her sister. You're looking goofy as that. Do not fit in your basket, boy. Ain't nobody wanting a torch for the summertime. Oh. What's your bad like in your finger? Oh, I thought you were pointing at this right so you want to. Anyways, I'm trying to get away from all these people because I'm trying to make my basket. But I came into like the summer, like adult $5 plus section over here. They have a bunch of Halloween stuff. Just kidding. These are them. But I did find these cute little baskets.
Okay, so
perfect for the summer so they can make like sand castles. So we can go to the lake and stuff. Because we don't go to the beach around here. So I think I might get something like this for my person.
Can I get to 140 or the 35?
If it's me, give me the most, alright? Do the most for me, alright? For just noticing this little thing poking out. Wait, you're actually gonna keep that in your basket? That's embarrassing.
Whoever is getting this is lucky.
Since I'm gonna do this one color-wise, I think I might go with like this one.
Sorry,
So I feel like they're so basic and wouldn't like any other color. So I'll take this. Besides the basket, I'm actually so surprised to see this at Dollar Tree, guys. They have these little floaties. They have games. And down here, they have these cool little shooters, which I thought would be fun to add. But since he's an adult and a grown man,
She got you.
this one, I don't know how this makes you grow, but yes, this one looks cool. And then I'll add some water balloons, because everybody needs to pull off in the summer with some water balloons.
Alright guys, so I got Cassie. Honestly, anybody can get me to make them a basket. Alright guys, so this is my basket right here. So this little castle. I don't really know who that lady in the back is. She's been harassing me for a little while now. But yeah, this is basically it. And then there's another crazy lady coming over here to harass me. Alright guys, so far I got a little K-pop Demon Hunters poster. And a little something to make it special. You know, a little torch. And this is really just to be different, really. I mean, no one else is going to do something like this. So maybe she has trouble saying sometimes, so I get a magnifying glass. And then I'm getting this cat tear sign because she's very kind. Then I'm getting these little Crocs wannabes because she's around the age where she's going to be having children and stuff. Then I'm getting these little trees that are for your car so it smells good. That says be kind because she's kind. And then one of these little necklaces so she could chill on the beach with her man and her child.
Okay guys, so the person I got is Lily, and so far this is what I got. I found this really cute basket that I feel like she would actually use, and this like 140 count of water balloons. I also grabbed her one of these because I know she's addicted. The person I got is Brenda. So far I found a pink bucket, and this cute little bubble wand. It looks like a ring pop. I'm gonna grab a little snack, some kit corn. I've never seen this Arizona, but it gives summer, so we're grabbing it. And they have peelers here, we're grabbing some of these. We'll get some of the orange ones, and then some of the mango ones. Who doesn't like those? I never see them using bobby pins, but I'm sure that they will in the store. Some of these are going full. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They have the plain colors, and then they have these ones. It gets hot in the summer, so we're gonna get them some deodorants so they're not stinky. So my phone died, and I'm using Lily's phone right now. I just did it over there somewhere. But the person that I got is Angie, and so I'm looking for items right now. I have a couple of stuff already. I'm just gonna show you guys, but this is the stuff that I have so far. I was looking debating on getting candy, but I don't know, it's a bit overdone, you know. I found this cute little guess who game, you know, we used to live playing this, so like I'll make her play this with me. And then look, unicorn and summer. This is amazing. I really want this for myself.
We're done with the first store, guys, and why the hell does it not look like summertime? Maybe it's looking like it's about to rain. Second store is Burlington, but there's also a TJ Maxx connected, so I decided to go here first. No favorites or anything, but I came straight to the baskets, and I love what I see. My TJ Maxx got a lot of cute ones. I did leave the one I chose at Dollar Tree behind, and I'm thinking to replace it with this one. Look at how cute. The smartest thing to add in a summer basket is a summer towel, because if you're going to be outside, you're going to need one of these when you get out the pool, the beach, the lake. And I'm in between this one, and this one, but low-key, this one is the cutest one, and it matches his vibe the best. Besides that, when you check out the purses, OMG, they got the summer purses, they got the Hennessy, they got the Hennessy, they got the Hennessy. Well, me and Jewel are over there looking for our summer basket. These girls are too caught up in what works best for the culo. Other than that, though, I did find this good scented. It literally is called Tropical Summer Perfume, and it smells like a Victoria's Secret dupe. And they have a bunch of them. We can all get some, girl. Nah, just kidding. It's just some. These are so cute. Because it's what?
Summer.
Oof, baby, it's getting hot in here.
Summer.
There are actually so many cute ones.
Alright guys, we made it to TJ Maxx. This might actually be the only good thing I have in my basket. Look at this little purse. I think this is good. And I'm actually carrying my girlfriend's stuff too. Other than that, I think I'm about done with my basket. I spent like the $50 already, basically.
Guys, look at the glasses. They have the cutest summer earrings at TJ Maxx. Look at these. I want them. They have a lot of options. Ooh, I love these. They give Y2K. They got a lot of everything. They seem to be overstocked. I'm at the hat section now. Ugh, I love this hat for myself. I want it. I don't really see any hats you would like. Y'all, we're looking at the oils and the soaps and everything. I think I found some shimmery oils I want for my person. I like these nails. They're giving summer. I just don't think my person would wear them.
They're looking.
You can do this. Use your personal money with history. You can transfer the devices, not their computer. How? Yeah, ow. I need a big screen to feel safe. Kaya, they compare hundreds of sites, so you know you can flight, hotel, or rent a car. Just do it together. Kayak. Got that right.
Pampers 360 has an unbeatable fit that's up to 100% leak-proof.
So I have one done. It's fully taped, and now we're just sorry. Now we're just gonna tape this, and that's it. And then put stuffing in it, and then I'm done.
Their location is Burlington. I'm gonna get the last of what I needed, which is Burlington has places to go swimming, and this is a summer basket. And
You guys want to go back to watching?
since the basket,
I know I'm taking a while.
I want to add like stuff to use instead of wear for the summer. I'm thinking about these cute little lemon cups or something like this, like popsicle wise for the summer. And I really like these. There's also these and these, but these are the cutest. Last item I'm gonna get, I came to the men's section shorts and I found some sick Mexico shorts and other pairs of shorts. I'm gonna decide which one I'm gonna add in there.
Grab Burlington now. I'm looking at the jewelry. This is not very summery, but you can wear this whenever you want. How cute is this bag? Oh my gosh. How cute is this poncho? I came to look at the bikinis because they're summer, duh. They're small, like, they feel alike. This one's kind of cute though. They only have the same bikini. I was looking for some Ed Hardy bikinis. They don't really got that. Then I got the little shirts here. Let's see if they have any cute shirts. These are my options. Ooh, I like this orange one. I don't see her wearing too much colors. Yeah, I found these tank tops and I found this bikini. I'm trying to decide which one to take. I'm getting my person this so that way they can use it for their bikini and then a match made in heaven. Guys, we left TJ Maxx. Lucky didn't record in there because I forgot I didn't have a phone. And I'm using Angie's phone, yay. Oh yeah, no. Oh my god, this is so bad. The fucking AI dog. Like, nobody's gonna buy this, but look what I found over here. Okay, guys. So I'm thinking of getting my person a cute little beach towel.
Why'd you look?
This is actually a perfect idea. I think I'm gonna do this for my
I don't
person
know
too.
which color combination's cuter because I like orange and pink, but this one's also really cute.
That's also orange and pink, but sure.
It is?
Wait, this one's okay cute. I can't lie.
It's all busted
It's so
up.
bright. And she's freaking trying to spend her whole budget on a freaking towel. Like, no.
There's nothing else to
No. Guys, look at this scarf. It's cute for summer. And guys, should I get these for my melatonin person? Do you think, I think my person likes drugs. I'm gonna get them this. For me, whoever got me, get that. Guys, we're in Burlington purse section. We found these two purses, bro. Two. One for me.